Google Docs and Google Presentations have a really cool tool called the Research tool. As you're writing your paper or creating your presentation, you can do research online without having to go to a whole nother web page. The way that you do this is you go up to the Tools bar and choose Research, and on the right-hand side we now have the Research tool. And here you can quickly insert images, quotes, citations, etc. into your document. So I'm going to do a search for Memorial Day since that is what today is. And it brings up all these different things. So let's say I want to include a picture. And I like this one of the flags. I'm going to take it and drag it into my document. Notice that there's a little 1 at the end. That leaves us a footnote for the citation down at the bottom with the web address that the picture came from. Now let's say that I want to get some text from one of these sources to include in my document. And I can have this one, Memorial Day is meant as a time to remember and honor those killed in America's wars. I can preview this document by choosing preview, and I can kind of see what it looks like, but it's a little hard to read here. I can click on the link up top to open it, or I can click on the link right here, and it opens up the document for me to look at and to read. And maybe I find a bit of information that I want to quote in my article or in my paper. So I'm going to copy and paste that section into my document. Okay, so I copy and paste it, but now I want to have a citation. So I'm going to click on Cite right here, and it gives it its footnote and puts the information down at the bottom from the article. So this is a great tool for students to use because it gives you the citations for you. Now, you can do the same thing in a Google presentation. If you go up to the toolbar and research, you can type in your search. And let's say I want that same photo, which shows right here. I can take that and drag that in. And what it does, it doesn't give it a footnote, but when I hover over the picture, it gives me the web address where the picture came from. So I can use this in my presentation.